Okay, thank you, Madra, for the good intro. Hello, everyone. Today, really, we are very excited for this challenge. Every year, we try to do in the last month of the year. It has become a tradition. For the people who joined last year, the rules are the same. For the new participant, I first want to share why we organize this challenge. Challenges help us, build great coding habits. They support improving your coding skills, building coding discipline, and developing your projects. You can work on a topic or project that you always want to do, but you couldn't find time for. It's also great opportunity, network opportunity, because we have a very supportive community, which Madhura mentioned that. And in the coding channel, everyone helps each other. This year, the challenge will be 19 days because the holiday starts after the 19. We want to, finish before the holiday and enjoy your break. Yes, now let's talk about the rules. Another slide, please. Thank you, Madhura. Yeah, first, we want you to create a repository on your GitHub. Every day, you should send a commit about your work. We will check the commits every day. And at the end of the 19 days, you should have a 19 commits in total. We will start on December, first day in December. We expect you to join the coding channel. Maybe we are sharing on the on Slack channel also. We have a because Christmas coding challenge 2025. This is our channel addresses. And yes, we will support to you there. And I created an example repository also on GitHub, and I will share it in the channel. If you have any problems creating your repo or something, please write to us. Actually, we want to code for minimum an hour day, but it depends. Sometimes maybe 10 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes, up to you, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. It depends. Just we want to you work to something that will be great for us. Yeah, every day, your day of coding, submit your work and on the GitHub, because we will look at your account at the end of the day. Share your journey if you want social media and LinkedIn with the following hashtag is here. If you want, for example, in the challenge time, people share their own Twitter, also thread. It will be very good, every day you can share. Will be great for you. And please don't forget to complete the register form. This is very important for us because we need to, for the certificate, the name. Sometimes, we are using the nickname on Slack channel. For the certificate, we need to some information. Please don't forget to complete the register form. You can find your coding buddy in the, Slack channel also, if you want to, feel alone or something. Then we will share everything, also GitHub repo and every examples on the Slack channel. We are, and maybe another slide. Yes. What we can do here, for example, if you want, every day you can solve the problem. So questions, LeetCode, you can use the LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeVerse for this. For example, I want to using the, solve some questions for the learning and relearning sometimes. So if you want, you can create your project. if you want, you can work, you can learn the new framework or programming language, will be great if you want. Just 19 days, and if you can do projects, solve a problem, everything, programming language, this part is up to you. And yeah, I mentioned that again, you can also find the challenge partner in the coding channel, and code together. Our channel is very friendly. I think maybe last year, yes, I saw someone is joined the last year, and is very friendly, and everyone is happy to help. So yeah, this is the rules and what we want. And if you have a question, please ask now. And yeah, but first of all, just join the channel, because we will share everything on the channel. Yes, I'm ready for the question.
This is, sorry, is this something we have to do?
Yes, this is this is example repo last year. If you want, you can check this repo. I will share again on the Slack channel. This is the example. You can see, for example, every day, because I sent a commit every day. And but also I will join because I want to work with you every day. I will send a comment in my GitHub account. Yes, and yeah, and certificate is very important. We are share with you certificate in January, but we need to we need to see the commit. This is very important. Please, if you, for example, if you have some issues, if you feel the bad, it's normal, but just ping me, or if you want, write the channel or DM. Just say, okay, I don't feel the good, or I have some problem. It's okay, but 1 day, 2, 3, it's okay. But 1 week is not, because we want to some habit, some discipline on the challenge. So just 1, 2 days, 3 days is okay. But after will be problem, because just 19 days, and yeah, and yes, this is my site. If you have any question, I
think I just want to add a small thing, that this is about, getting into the habit. So it's like you might have heard about atomic habits, right? You start small. So if you get into the habit of making a commit every day, by the end of it, you will be very, sort of confident to say that, okay, I have done something, so I'm confident enough to start doing more of it. So that is the whole idea behind this coding challenge, actually.
Also, GitHub is so important. After for example, 19 days, you can see everywhere is green. It's like, for example, if you're looking for the new job or something, everyone said, oh, okay, she's working. This is the mean, Madhura, maybe you can say something about it. This is so important if you're working the coding.
Yeah, absolutely. And that more than anything, actually, I'll just give you a brief background of who I am. I'm engineering manager with Elliptic, and one of my main tasks is to hire people. So in that, I can definitely say, if you're practicing more and more, it shows your confidence. And when you're going for these, you're pairing, you're having that coding challenge, that sort of confidence you get. And that's the whole reason why we do this every year. It's to just build that confidence for that, coding challenge. When you go, you're not like lost completely. So that's the whole premise behind it. Arzu, there is one question for you.
Yes.
Can you change what you work on throughout? Like, for instance, mixing LeetCode and building project, etc.
Actually, when I start, I'm using the code words, but I think if you are, preparing to some interview or something, I think LeetCode is better because in UK, HackerRank and LeetCode is so popular now.
But I think you can mix. That is
Yes,
the
yes, everything.
trait. It's
This
not.
question, everywhere. If you want, just you can work with chatbot like AI, ChatGPT, or Gemini. You can ask, please give me a question for the JavaScript. Like this is okay. You don't just check the LeetCode or somewhere. Just question and solving is important for us.
Yeah, absolutely. There is another one. Question is, I'm new and I'm not entirely sure how the challenge will be conducted. Where can I find these instructions? I think I have put it in the messages above.
Yes, and if you come our channel, we are sharing everything there. Just we need to one repository on GitHub. Every day you can send, you are working on the coding, you can commit it to your GitHub account. We are checking your GitHub account. So it's so easy, for example. But if you start the new, if you don't have a lot of information on the GitHub account, no worries, just ping me, I can help you for the new repo. But I will share my repo also because I am continue with you, the challenge. Yeah, after if you have a question, please ask again.
Absolutely, absolutely. Does that answer your question, Magdalena?
Checking on Git also. Yes, yes, I will check the GitHub every day. I will check your GitHub repo, and then maybe I sent some messages, and then after the 19 days again I will check. But every day I will check. Yes, so it's so important. If you don't send the code, just ping me, just saying, I don't feel the good or I have some issues, because this is important. Also, I noticed everything, which day it's you sent, which day you don't send. Yeah.
Absolutely. Any other questions from anyone? Yeah.
Hello, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. I'm also a beginner. I'm a DevOps student, currently doing my internship. So good to hear from both of you. I just wanted to have the same information that was previously asked, but I've been following the PowerPoint along, and have also logged into 2 or 3 accounts that you have asked. A bit about, as I have gone inside, but haven't understood a lot about how me as a DevOps can follow this journey of 19 days. Is it something related? As I said, because sorry for interrupting. As I said, I'm just a beginner student in DevOps, so I don't have a lot of IT knowledge. Thank you.
For the DevOps, but it's up to you. If you curious about some new framework or new programming language for the DevOps, what we advise, Madhura, for the DevOps?
I think you can probably practice some Terraform or those kind of which will help you with the setting up. Let's say I'm going to take AWS as an example because that's what I work with. But trying out AWS, as to how to bring up, and AWS has got really good these learning courses. I can't think of the website, but Skill Builder. So AWS does have it, and you can try some examples there. Try to see if you can write Terraform. And if you are committing that as your code, that's fine too, because after all, Terraform is infrastructure as code, so it does count. And another thing, Kandil, am I pronouncing your name correctly, Kandil?
Yes.
Okay. We do have a DevOps channel as well. And I think if you get in touch with Ira, probably she is the best person to guide you on DevOps side. So definitely I would recommend joining the, I think it's called Cloud DevOps or something, the channel.
Is it in the Slack?
It is in Slack. It is in Slack. I think it's called Cloud DevOps or something like that.
I think we have another question, Camille. I have an idea for a project. Can I find someone within the community who would be interested in working? Yes, of course. You can share, for example, on the channel, and maybe someone want to work with you. We had a code. Yeah, last year I think two friends, two women worked together for the coding channel, coding challenges. Yes,
All
you
right,
can
thank you.
just send a message on channel.
Okay, will do. Thanks.
It's another question is it based on my local time? Yes, this is important. No worries. No, not UK time zone. For example, during the day, just important things. For example, first day on December we will start, and during the day you need to send. But time zone is not important, just day. For example, sometimes I check the night, and then another day I check the someone, because yes, someone is Canada now and USA. Time is not problem. Just we want to check in the day, during the day, you sent or not. And how can I be editor? Slack channel.
I just added the link.
Perfect, thank you.
So if you join the Slack channel, then you can just join the Christmas challenge or any other channel that you are interested in.
I think we have a question before the quick question. Is the meetup only for women or for anyone interested?
Yeah, I answered that. I think I answered that. As long as you're respecting our code of conduct, I think you can join the challenge. But I think we should be respectful of each other. That's the main thing.
Yes. And again, please don't forget the registration form. We are added on, Meetup, but maybe you can't see. This is important for us. And yeah.
Yep.
Do you have any question? I think everything is fine.
I think as I was talking to you, Arzu, right, one of the question I had is, can we do SQL queries, or if we want to improve on that? And the answer is absolutely yes. As long as you're writing those, committing to the GitHub, I don't think we have a problem. We are not restraining to any specific language or anything. So it's definitely yes.
And also, you don't need to send everyday coding. For example, you are learning the new framework and you can add some information. For example, today I learned this one. Is it okay? This is the habit. So we want to, after the 19 days, we learned something. So just not focus on the coding side. Is okay, everything for us.
Yeah.
Do I need to focus on just one project throughout the channel, or is it okay work multiple? Yes, multiple projects. It's okay. Yes, of course. Why not? 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay for us. Yeah, it will be great. Yes, of course.
Absolutely. If you can treat it as a hackathon or something and do two projects, fine. That would be really good.
And I think we forget the very important things. We are our director Adriana, maybe after shared some information about our website and our open source project. If you want, you can contribute to them. It will be great. But I think she will share the on channel before the Christmas challenge. And you can see that I think she has some advice for this. Yeah.
That is in Java, right? Predominantly Java, or
yes, I think.
And is.
Yeah, we talk each other. Maybe before the challenge, she will share the information about that.
Irene has a question.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I think you just clarified. I was just wanting to clarify. Was it before the challenge that will be introduced or after? I think you just said before.
Yeah, I think so. Adriana will
Initiated on the channel.
Before, for example, tomorrow, I think she's holiday now because she's now online, but before the challenge, she will share the something. Yeah, no worries.
Lovely. Thank you. Thanks.
Any other questions or anything from anybody? All right. So
Okay, just will be relaxed, and it will be so funny for everyone.
yeah, I definitely. And I just to recap, please do register using the form. So we have your name and everything to give you the certificate. Be consistent so that you are committing at least once a day. It's not mandatory, but it's a good habit for you. And of course, looking at when you're writing the code, look at what your coding style is. Are you following coding principles? Are you doing clean coding? All those kind of things will help you when you're actually going to look for a job or whatever your aspirations are. It will definitely help you. How you're structuring the code. We are not going to do a PR request and probably not going to have code reviews, but from your point of view, is the code good? Are you proud of it? That's the questions. If you answer to yourself, I think then that's the best use of this challenge. And then of course you get the certificate at the end of it, which is a bonus. And yeah, looking forward to it. All the best. And any last words, Arzu?
Yeah, for the interviewing time, for example, you can say, I joined the, Christmas challenge and 19 days I coded. It's really important. And if you want, you can add this on CV certificates. It will be great. And you can share the on LinkedIn or, social media. It's really will be great. Great PR for you. Please, just feeling the, everything will be funny and everything it will be helpful for you. And where is the form? Oh, okay, form is here. Yes.
It will be difficult because staying consistent for 19 days is difficult. It's a big commitment, but I'm sure you all can do it. I'm sure of it. So all the best, and
Thank you so much.
And let us know if you have any questions. The Slack channel is always open.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good evening. Bye.
Bye. I'll stop recording.